Hello, this video tutorial will show you how to install Humane transport application to your machine. So first of all, what you need to do is go to our GitHub repository. The link will be provided in the description below. Now once you're here on this page, click Wiki, scroll down a little bit, and then click this cloning Humane transport. Now before doing all these steps, just make sure you met all the prerequisites here, which is going to be your IDE, your Git, and then Flutter SDK. Now if you don't know how to install these things, I'll provide a link in the description below that will show you how to install these things. Alright, once you installed your IDE, Git, and then Flutter SDK, we can start doing these steps. Now, let's go and find our Git bash. Let's put this on the side. Make this a little bit bigger. And then go to the directory you want to install Humane transport file or directory. In my case, I want to install this in my documents, and then once I'm there, I'll copy this thing, paste it here, and then just press enter. Okay, once everything is completed, what you can do is go to the Humane transport directory. And then once you're here, go to this directory called app. Alright, and then let's do the step 2. Copy this one, Flutter clean, paste it here. Alright, and then Flutter pub get, just type that. Perfect. Now what you can do is go to your IDE of choice. I do have Android Studio and then VS Code installed. For now, let's just use Android Studio, because in Android Studio you can also create your emulator there. Okay, let's create a new emulator. So yeah, click this one and then click create virtual device and choose whatever device you want to install. In my case, I want to install Pixel 4 XL. Click next. Name whatever you want. For now, I'll just leave it that way, and then click finish. Perfect. Now you can do is just launch this AVD. Click that. That's right there. Okay, that's fine. Ignore that. And if this is your first time running your emulator, this could take a little bit of time. So what I'm going to do is pause the video here for now. Okay, now once your emulator is ready, in my case, I personally use VS Code for everything. It's just I prefer VS Code. It looks pretty good for me. So what I can do is, or what you can do is, on your Git bash, just go back one directory. Type, if you're going to use VS Code, type code app, and then that should open that VS Code. And if you're going to use Android Studio, you can simply do the same thing. Go to the open and then look for the Humane Transport project. Alright, and then go to this one and click app and then press OK. It'll basically do the same thing. Okay, I'll just minimize this one because I'm not going to use this. Alright, now in your VS Code, put it there. You can do is hover the run and then click run without debugging, and then click Dart and Flutter. Okay, again, this will take a little bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video here for now. Alright, so once your emulator is done loading, you may get this error message. This is actually not pretty big deal, and also this one, problem 74. The reason for all these error messages is because during our development process we used the older version of Flutter, and then Flutter they upgraded to Flutter 2.0. So yeah, just for now you can ignore this. This is not a big problem actually. Even the like to-do list or like the string itself, or a comment will say that's an error, but it's not. So yeah, for now just don't worry about it. And then yeah, if you get this one, what you can do is simply type Flutter clean again. Flutter pubget. Perfect. And then just simply click the refresh and it should load. There you go. Now you open the app. So in this case, what you can do now is just register for an account to use our application. Let's click that. Type something here. Let's create that. Register. This phone number is optional, but yeah, as you can see, just type something there. Register. And then just log in. Okay, there you go. So this is the very first thing you will see once you signed in. If you don't, this is our default image. Actually, we also have an option to change this. So let's click that, edit. Yeah, so since this is your first time, I'll ask you for permission, of course. So let's click allow. Let's see if I have a photo that I can use here. I don't have a photo. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to a drive. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have any photo here that I can show you. For now, let's just go back. All right, and then yeah, you're in our homepage. You can do a lot of stuff here. Create a new form, fill this out, type your information here, and then yeah, just click submit. All right, and then since we clicked that new form and we did not fill out anything, that will show up actually here in your active forms. You also have an option to set this as default. So basically this feature allows you to save necessary information that you will need to fill out every time you go and transport somewhere. So by setting something by default, that will save you a lot of time, a lot of typing actually. Alright, what we can do is just click this. Alright, and you'll get this message. When you start a new record, it will use the same information. Perfect. Go here. And then, yeah, you can start typing your information again. And if you completed this specific form, that will pop up in this travel history. But for now, since we haven't completed anything, and I guess I won't show you that. It's just going to take a lot of time. It will pop up here. And yeah, as you can see, no completed animal transport records. So in this screen, you also have an option to go to that active screen, to that record. Alright, that's it for tutorials. If you have any questions, simply email us. That our email will be also included in the description below. Thank you and have a good day.